Welcome back. Ready to go paid? In this video, we'll buy a plan from start to finish, registering and paying in one smooth flow. Pick a paid plan and click its button, and you land on the checkout page. Notice the Back to Pricing link up here in case you want to compare plans again. Right at the top are Plan Switcher tabs. If you change your mind, you can swap to a different plan here without leaving checkout. The plan summary shows what you're getting: the plan name, the monthly price, and if you've chosen yearly, a note that it's billed annually. You can still switch between monthly and yearly right here. Yearly carries a save badge, so you can see the discount before you commit. Just below, a features grid reminds you exactly what this plan unlocks, a handy last check before you sign up. Now the quick sign-up form. Enter your full name, then your work email. That's the address you'll log in with, so use one you can access. Choose a password, at least 8 characters. A longer mix of letters, numbers, and symbols keeps your workspace safer. Tick the box to agree to the terms of service and privacy policy. And notice the reassurance here. Your details are SSL encrypted, and you can cancel anytime. Click Continue to Payment. Email Sendex hands you to a secure, hosted payment page run by our payment provider. This is where your card details are entered safely. On this page, enter your card details and confirm the payment. We won't show a real card here. Just pop in your own and continue. And there it is, payment successful. Your plan is active right away, and a welcome email is on its way. Because payment activated your account, there's no extra email to verify. Just click Sign into your workspace. Next, we'll tour your billing dashboard.